Welcome from my tiny kitchen. You will fall in love with this easy sugar cookie recipe. With sharp edges, it's perfect for decorating with royal icing. There's no need to chill the dough. You can simply roll, cut and bake. The recipe is really easy. Add soft butter, caster sugar and vanilla extract into a mixing bowl and mix together until smooth. Add in an egg and mix until smooth. This is important as large lumps of butter may affect the texture of the sugar cookie. And the last step, mix in plain flour and baking powder. When the sugar cookie dough is relatively well mixed, turn out the dough onto the counter and lightly work the dough to mix in any dry bits. When ready, roll out on a lightly flour dusted surface to about 6 to 7 millimeters thick. Cut using your desired cutters, place on a lined baking tray and bake in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 8 minutes, keeping an eye out so that the edges don't burn. Leave on the tray for a few minutes to cool before gently lifting up. These delicious sugar cookies are now ready for decoration. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end. See you next time.